Hi, it's James Fisher, employee owner at Gardener Supply. Today we're going to show you how to install the new self-watering insert into the 2x8 elevated cedar planter box. First thing we're going to do is to empty out the old soil, get this out and have a clear bed. Then we're going to show you how to install the new self-watering inserts, fill them with water, make sure everything's level. Then we're going to put about 3/4 of the old soil back into the box, and then we're going to take the rest and mix it with a little fertilizer and a little booster and top it off, and then we'll show you how to fill the tube. Make sure your capped edges go to the outsides of the frame. It's a little tricky, you can get them in by yourself, but it's obviously easier if you have a partner to help you. For the 2x8, you want to extend the fill tube to its longest setting and insert to the first notch. Next, install the water level indicator, cork side down. And you want to cut the tube so you can close the top. Since we're filling it anyway, it's the perfect opportunity to add some nutrients to our soil and rejuvenate it, so I'm adding the elevated garden booster kit to the top.